wildfires raging in California. Two of them exploded in size with frightening speed.
The city of Malibu is at risk. Powerful, unrelenting 40-mile-per-hour winds.
The entire town of Paradise is gone.
The homes are becoming a bomb. It's blackout conditions.
Social media is flooded with posts from people looking for loved ones.
The winds are absolutely relentless as fire is destroying everything in its path, including this elementary school.
Copy, Pee-wee Preschool still has kids there. Pee-wee Preschool has kids there.
Fire has been all around us all day, down power lines, an extremely dangerous situation for firefighters.
At one point, a California Highway Patrol deputy was trapped.
We are totally surrounded by fire. I have people in cars and the road is blocked. We need assistance immediately. Any units at the River Hospital, we've got 4 people trapped in the basement. Sounds like it's surrounded by fire. They're safe underneath, but they can't get out. Tell them to shelter in place.
Even if people can evacuate their homes, this is what they have to contend with. Thick smoke.
Covers more than 20,000 acres and threatens another 15,000 or more structures. It is extremely dangerous.
Ready? 3, 2.
We've seen dozens of homes engulfed in flames.
Wall of flames hopscotch through neighborhoods, claiming home after home.
That is the worst fire I've ever seen in my life. I've never been in that thick of a fire. I'm very scared, and I've never felt like that before in my life, but I feel better now that I'm here. And please, people, when it says to get out, they mean it.
I left my animals behind. I left my cows behind. I hope they're all right. But, you know, at least I got my dogs and my family out on time.
Someone's abandoned a vehicle in the roadway north of you. I'm going to try and get there on foot.
I saw everything burn, just tornadoes like you wouldn't believe. The town hall was burning when I left, and I just had to leave. I was tired of cutting down fences for people. I'm sorry.
And we got the fire coming southbound Skyway, where Skyway and Mopsy. We've got the road completely blocked. We need somebody to be able to open it up and get these people out of here. It's not looking good for get people out. We have one patient, approximately burns over 45%.
Father, please help us. Please help us to be safe. I'm thankful for Jeremy and his willingness to be brave.
There's the Best Western. Basically, the whole town's on fire right now.
I'm really sorry.
Thank you. Memory's gone. I mean, it was all in perfect condition 2.5 hours ago when I was standing there.
Like you're kind of in shock right now.
Yeah, but I know we'll be okay. It's sad, but you know, we didn't get hurt, and that was the important part.
24 hours, there have been harrowing accounts of people literally abandoning their vehicles and getting out to run for their lives.
assistance to drop water. Request air resources to drop water there, standby.
7, water tender 37, water tender 67, transport 2140, transport 2142, view crew 2, view crew 3, vegetation. Possibly in the area of Camp Creek Road. RP was calling from the Poe Dam. I'm looking at